when I was bagging up country. I started trapping for money, now I'm rapping for money. They say I snap and go dummy, it's a rap like a mummy. Ain't got a max of the honeys, that comes naturally to me. And bitch, I carry Glocks, I done dairy ops. So pussy, come and get your cherry pop. Bet I wet a nigga like a fucking pool when I catch a body like a belly flop. I'm pulled up with bro numb, count show money at the Marriott. Like fuck a deal, I'm already hot. I ball out, no Fetty Wap. Some may sit and wonder like why he be on that savage shit, but they don't know the half of it. Growing up not having shit, mama all for cracking shit. I'm at school being bad as shit. In front of the projects, bumping back with flips off mattresses. Grew older, weight on shoulders. I start hustling and bagging zips. Whole time I was trapping, I was mastering this rapping shit with hopes our sons would never have to hustle like they daddies did. That's why I'm so passionate. I used to imagine it. I'm so talented, I got niggas who hate me blasting it. Planet of the Apes, me and Broski, them toe banana clips. My partners posing pictures with pistols, call that an action flick. I told them fuck proving it, them pussy niggas. We packing shit and taking pictures with it, self-snitching. Bro, that's that backward shit, start whacking shit. The rest gon' start vanishing like a magic trick. Who better than me? Your hypothesis is inaccurate, so it don't really matter. Your favorite rapper's inadequate, cause once I get to snapping, immaculate meets extravagant. I'm Maximus Achilles and Spartacus mixed with Gannicus. Invested in myself just like vending machines, I'm stacking chips. Go holla at KP4 and show your broski my management. Big paper in my pocket, bout to fall out. So many fans can't even shop inside the mall now. Oh, bitches see me on, oh, they wanna call now. Shout out my haters who keep Tony Dick in y'all mouth. Sneak this on me and my hitters up in y'all house. Caught a body, took the pistols to my doghouse. Shawty riding for me, I lay back, she riding for me. And understand that I'm the man and hella bitches trying to fuck me. Even though I am a killer, she still love me, bride of Chucky. And if she's poetic justice, well, I guess that I am lucky. She my numero uno, I don't know what you bitches think. She like me and just like me, she don't smoke and she don't drink. She stay focused and the flow sell like a boat, so we don't sink. $300 worth of groceries, got it all off of her link. Head fire, pussy good, and you know that pussy pink. When I slide up in that pussy, keep me warm just like a mink. Set that bitch up on the counter, fucked her on the kitchen sink. And when I'm done, she always bring me a wet towel and something to drink. And I'm like,
2 shots, man.